Is your TikTok app running slow on iPhone, or you have bugs and glitches in the app that are starting to be frustrating and cause problems with your TikTok experience? Well, clearing the cache files can solve that issue. It can delete the unnecessary data that your app may have, and it can even solve the problem where some functions and features in the app are missing. There are two different ways on how you can clear those cache files on TikTok, so just follow my steps. The first step is to hop over to the settings, then open the general section. The next step is to find this iPhone storage option and then click on it to open it. And this will show us a list of all the applications which we have installed on our iPhone device, so just find the TikTok app and then open it. You will then see two different buttons. We have the option to delete the app, but we're not going to do that. You'll want to tap on this Offload App option. This step will delete the cache files and unnecessary data. It can fix glitches and bugs that TikTok has, and many more things. And don't worry, this will not log you out of your account or anything similar, so if you don't know your TikTok password, you're safe, because everything will be as it was. After the app offloads, simply click on Reinstall App. Then, we'll wait for a couple of minutes until our TikTok app reinstalls from the App Store. This step will update our application to the latest version, and that way, we'll have all of the latest features and functions, and we'll have the latest version of TikTok installed on our device. The second method of clearing the cache files is by simply opening the TikTok app itself and then hop over to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, then select this Settings and Privacy option. Scroll all the way down and find the Free Up Space button. Click on Clear next to the cache option, and that will clear the app cache files and the data that piled up over time. You can also clear the downloads right here, and after that, restart your TikTok app. Leave a comment down below as this little trick worked for you, and tell me what tutorial you need next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.